Tired of paying for Google ads that don't make your phone ring? You see clicks coming in, but no calls, no form fills, no new jobs. If that sounds familiar, this video is for you. A lot of septic service owners assume that if someone clicks on their ad, they'll automatically call. But it just doesn't work that way. Getting the click is just the first step. There's a lot more to it than that. What happens after that is what really determines if you get the lead or if you just spend money and get ghosted. If your ads are getting traffic but no conversions, something is broken after the click, after they leave your ad. Most of the time the problem isn't your ad, it's where your ad sends people. Are you sending leads to the home page of your website? Big mistake. You need a focused landing page that addresses the prospect's problem. But if your landing page is slow to load, confusing, hard to read on mobile, or doesn't make it easy for people to contact you, you guessed it, people bounce and go looking for your competitor. And guess what? You just paid for that click but have nothing to show for it. That's how you waste your ad budget. Here's how to fix it. 1. Speed is essential. Make sure your landing page loads fast, especially on mobile. People won't wait. 2. Show you're legit. Add trust signals like licensed and insured, photos of your truck, and a few short reviews near the top. 3. Make it easy to contact you. Put your phone number in big, bold type right at the top. Add a click to call button for mobile users. 4. Speak to their pain, but don't be a jerk about it. Use clear headlines like fast, reliable septic repairs or emergency septic pumping available. 5. Focus the page. Don't overload it with too much info or links. One page, one goal. Get the lead. I manage Google search ads for septic contractors across the country. And the ones getting the best results all have one thing in common: a landing page that's built to convert. If you're getting clicks but no calls, I can help. Let's fix what's broken and get your phone ringing again. Sign up for a free phone consultation using the link in the description. No pressure, just real, honest, straight talk about how to get you more septic jobs.